Good. We got the roundabout, yield. Go straight through. Good. Stay in your lane. Good. Follow road. In America, we have roundabouts too. Stay in your lane. Go straight through. Stay in your lane. Go straight through. Good. Go get that next one, young man. Go get that job. You already got your remote job. Well, one job, a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. So you want to go up and yield. Take your time. You're doing great, brother. Keep going up. Yield. Check traffic. Proceed through. Good. Your speed is good. Accelerate through. Turn your wheel. Stay in your lane. Turn that wheel. Yes. Yes, brother. Go straight. That was beautiful. Give me a fist pound. That was good. Take it straight. And this is the challenging course. I want to see you grow, get better, prepare you. And then, you're already going to big college, big opportunities. Yeah. Also, big problems if you're insecure, get caught up in a wrong crowd. But we will talk about positivity. You will do well. And your sister will punch you in the face and smack you in the head if she sees you messing up, because that's what big sisters do, or big brothers. And then your driving instructor will also monitor your progress. And I want you to do well, because you are the next generation. Keep driving. And for me, I'm thinking about getting the Tesla for driver's education, or Ford Mach-E used. Yeah. Because I don't have 60, but if I can get one for mid-30s, 20,000, 30,000 miles, 6 years, 7 years left on the battery. They give a 10-year warranty. It's good. And then get that tax credit for $4,000. It's a good thing. So roll up real easy. You want to see the rear of the tires. You're doing fantastic. You basically got 20 minutes. See, that's the Ford Mach-E right there. That's the GT. So it's either going to be the Ford Mach-E or the Tesla. And then, I'm looking at used car prices. I will call some people who have Teslas. I'm reaching out on social media because I have questions, and I'm going to go for a really extensive test drive. Proceed, brother. Go get this. So, and I love this curvy road. It will challenge you. You keep driving. You're doing fantastic. Nice. Excellent. Your hands are good. You look comfortable. Good. Enjoy the drive. Keep it up. Good. Read traffic a little bit more. I notice you're kind of tapping the brakes for nothing. A lot of beginners tap the brakes, because you're not looking ahead far enough to make a better educated decision. So once you should see the red light up there. Yeah. Your speed is good. Your space is